Hi guys, just getting ready. We're gonna need more eye drops too. Should have grabbed the. We are broadcasting, just FYI. I'm getting really, really noisy. No, that's okay. We will need more eye stuff. I use my filter. Try to be appropriate. Salt shaker. If it were only that simple. I know. So these little guys, if you saw the video posted on Tiny Kittens Facebook, they can't see at all. Their little eyes are so infected and swollen that they're just bumping into things, and then the one fell in a bucket of gasoline. So I'm hoping that once we get them cleaned up that we'll be able to see eyeballs, but they're in pretty rough shape. Gwen has saved the day with some lime sulfur dip, and Dorothy's mom is also bringing us some tomorrow, and I have a dinner thing that I have to go to shortly, so Gwen is doubly saving the day because she's going to stay and keep working on these guys until I can get back. These two are sisters. They've already had their revolution. my don't forget to leave alarm, but I'm going to snooze it. This is why nobody likes me in real life. I will snooze you. They were super ferocious. So, it's okay. You're okay. We probably should do nail trims first. Maybe get you pretty. Hi there. Oh, I think I have at least one nail clipper in the room. Oh, perfect. That's perfect. That works. Too bad it's so dark in here. So, hello there. Oh, your poor little eyes. She does have one eye open. I did clean her up because she fell. This is the one that fell in the gas bucket, so I did clean her up. I didn't want that going in her eyes, and she got a little in her mouth. I'm just gonna trim her nails. No, you're being very good right now. There was quite a bit of yowling and biting. They're little scrappers, these two. They're little fighters. That's how they're still alive. Being blind. I'm hoping that their eyes can be treated and that they won't be blind forever. We'll just have to see how they do. This is what untreated eye infection, this is probably what happened. Oh my gosh. Ooh. He looks very sad. It says we're supposed to wash them first. Oh, that looks so painful. I know. Ouchie. You can see just her pink conjunctiva and a little bit of eyeball showing through on her right eye, which is good. Okay, so, and you're very stinky. So that's the one with the gasoline? Yep. So do we want to use a tiny drop of Dawn? I think that would be good, yeah. I'm just looking for... You tell me when you're ready for me to turn the tap on. I think, yeah, I'm ready. I'm good. Because it's going to scare me. Yep. It's going to be okay. I know, I'm sorry. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Oh, gosh, I know. I'm sorry. You're okay. You're alright. Okay. I know. Oh gosh. You're okay. Look at your mouth. Alright, that looks okay. Did you find that one in the upper part of the barn or the outside part? This is the one, like, behind where the tractor is parked, yep. And that door to the outside, they were back there. Both of them? Yeah. Oh. These are Darcy's kittens. The black and white. Yeah. She was there. She was not happy with me taking her because they were screaming. Aww. But I told her that maybe she can see them this weekend. And that they were were going to feel so much better and that she wasn't going to have to worry about that. Okay.
So I think that's a suitable temperature.
Okay.
I'm wanting to.
Okay.
I'll just do a tiny.
Here we go. I think so. Scruffing helped. They were very.
And you've done nails, or you?
I did the front nails.
Oh, thank you.
At least.
Look at you wet.
Oh, look, she's behaving herself very well. Oh. Are you okay?
She's not struggling.
She seems to be managing.
Do you want to get a little soap and do the back end?
Yeah. These guys I was able to deworm. So at least we got a head start on that, and they've had now revolution. And so, but you still feel bloaty.
Saving some worms for later.
Yes.
And the water is yellow from whatever she has on her, or did she pee?
No, I'm guessing it's from the gas. Or whatever it was. It was very thick and nasty. And I got some in my bite wound, and it really stung, so
no.
I know, I felt terrible.
Oh, you hope she doesn't have any in her eyes.
I know, I rinsed her really good. I felt terrible. It was really cold too. And her sister kept running into the wall trying to get away. I was like, I'm so sorry.
Because she couldn't see?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It was really sad. Very sad. Oh my goodness.
It's alright, darling. It's so perfect.
It's gonna get better now. There's some crust in there. Alright. Maybe do you want to do a rinse under the faucet?
Yeah, let me adjust water temperature.
Okay.
I'll let you be in charge of
Okay.
the pokey one.
Here she is. Okay. No, I know, this one's, and it gets super hot too. But it,
I would try that. I think that.
yeah, feels nice.
Probably if they were going to have it, they would have been by now.
No.
What if they're just washing our food?
I know. Maybe we like our food clean. Not marinated in gasoline. Okay, there we go. Alright, now,
Do we want to do the...
okay.
Maybe
How-
bundle her up for a second?
Okay, I'm gonna put a clean, use a clean one. How long does she stay wet with the? Did you do it at the SCBA?
Yeah, they keep them, like, we won't be rinsing it off. So let's try...
they just keep, okay.
Okay, so I know what I can do for...
I'm gonna put some of this in.
How many ounces in a gallon?
Do you want me to? I can find out. Hey, chat. How many ounces? Can someone Google how many ounces are in a gallon?
Sorry, I'm Canadian. I don't know the answer to that.
I should know that. I'm not Canadian. 28. Thank you. Alright, she's got some eye ointment in there. That should help, I think. Ew, it's orange.
And here comes the smell.
Oh. There's a patch right there on her forehead.
A patch of ring line?
Yep. I did clean out, I excavated her ears.
This is perfect. This is 1 quart, which is 1/4 of a gallon. So we're gonna just do a little one.
Oh, perfect.
Instead of 4. That way everybody gets a fresh vat of warm.
A fresh vat of sulfur.
Of warm sulfur.
It's like the hot springs in where is it? Old.
Harrison in BC. Harrison,
Do they
Ontario.
are they stinky there too?
Oh, super stinky.
See, people pay good money for this. You're gonna get it for free. There's an eye. So I definitely see a right eyeball. It looks like there may be some scarring, but the left eyeball I don't see yet. Oh, look at that. That's fancy. It's like a hurricane. I'm sorry, this is not what you planned for your evening, but it's going to be better. Thank you for coming, Gwen.
Oh, very welcome.
Gwen's the best. They would have had to sit in their crates for a few hours, which is better than where they were, but... So we dunk wet.
I think if you can dunk that whole kitten down to his little, without getting any in his eyes.
Okay.
Because it would really, really hurt. And
I put
not getting any in your eyes.
I put the ointment in her eyes, just
that might protect her
hoping
eyes.
that it would help.
It doesn't protect yours, so
yeah.
if she shakes, and then you're just massaging it down to her skin.
Okay.
Just anywhere but the eyes. And then I've got some tissues here, so if it seems like it's getting out of control.
Okay. Perfect.
We're just gonna...
This is my first lime sulfur dip.
Oh, is there a spot there too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Massages. What a good kid.
I know, she's being so good. She got all of her fight out of her system. Maybe. Just gonna get under her chin.
It's probably a really good idea because at least she can be warm while she's in the dip, and then it has a better chance of getting right onto her skin, the base of the hair.
She's gonna be a lovely
Shade of
auburn.
auburn.
So that will probably make you drool too if you get that in your mouth. Huh? What do you think? Do you think that's enough?
Yeah, and so then what we could do is wrap, but the idea is that we don't take it off their coats. So we're
Right.
not wiping it off their coats.
Okay.
And so the fact that we have hot towels and a kitten warmer is really important.
Excellent.
So all you can do is really blot the excess, but not wipe.
I'll just wring her out and then plop her in the worm crate. It'll be like it's like a hot spring and then a sauna. Hi, I'm sorry. Okay. There we go. Perfect. And then that pile has more warm towels if you want to. This pile? Oh, if you want to plop another one on top of her. Good.
Oh, I know. There you go.
Oh my gosh, that poor little thing. It's terrible. Okay, so I'll start with this one. I guess I can go. Hi, little monkey. Hello. Let's do your toenails real quick. This one's got little white paws. She's very cute. Very cute, a little tabby puppy. I know, I'm sorry. Alright, little monkey. Let's get some ointment in there. Let's get some ointment going in there. Maybe I'll move the lamp to the other side so it's actually in front of us instead of... Look, do you have an eyeball? I think there's one deep inside there.
The beginnings of getting better.
I know. Oh, that's terrible.
First, whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm just gonna put this back. All right, I will hand off to you. Oh, we can see how she does. She's got, you can see toes and end of her tail has a. Oh, baby girl.
Okay. Well, how about I dip her and then you can.
Okay, I'm gonna move this lamp over in hopes that it's easier to see.
Oh, sweetheart.
Definitely stinky. Oh my gosh, sorry. No, stop. No, I know. Is that blinding you or is it better?
No, that's
okay. Is she behaving?
She is being so good. I don't know what you're doing, but it's not all bad.
Yeah. It's not as bad as bumping into the wall.
Oh, was this the one?
Yeah.
Oh, honey, I'm so
It was so sad. She was just trying to get away and she just didn't, just couldn't find a place to go. But I am amazed at how well she navigated without being able to see. She was still fast. Me too.
poor little toes.
I know. They'll feel much better at least, even if they are stinky. All right, let's see. What is there anything I can do before I go? Or I abandon you here?
I can't think of anything.
Here's this. Don't worry about it. But here it is. If you need to turn it off, just close it.
Just close it? And that just means I can't see what's going on?
No, that means the feed will be down.
Okay.
And then I'll be back as soon as I can. Thank you so much. I'm sorry.
Okay, and then they can all tune into the other channel? Or?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yep, I'll switch it back over when it's done.
Okay,
I'll
perfect.
check in a few times.
Have a good dinner.
Thank you so much for helping them. I feel like such a loser leaving you, but also very grateful.
You have to eat sooner or later, Shelly.
I know. Text me if you run into any trouble.
Okay.
I'm not going to be far away.
All right. I'm going to get you ready for a little bit more thorough rub-in. One side at a time. Okay, good job. I know, cutie pie. I know. This is the snow one. This is the snow one. I'll get it right down to your skin. On here. Almost feels good, huh? Almost feels good. You have food on your chin. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Aw. It's not all bad, huh? Not all bad. Look at how yellow your whites are going to be. Okay, let me just see your little chin. Oh, good kitten you are. Oh, good kitten you are. Okay, a little bit more in the ears. And then I think it's towel time. Yeah, good job. I think you're well saturated. Okay, a little blot. And then you get, oh, don't rub your eyes, my love. Don't do it. Now we're gonna go see your sister, huh? We're gonna go see your sister. Yeah. I should hold you for a minute and get some of the excess off. supposed to touch your face. No, you weren't. Alright. Ready to go see your sister? In a snuggy bed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Into the little sauna. Oh. Where's your sister? Oh. Oh, she's in there. She's so warm. Okay. Alright. Faces, and another little face. Where is the other little face? There it is. Alright. I'll just show everybody at home some little faces. I'll turn off the computer. Alright, let's see. There's one little face. Don't know if you can see her. It's pretty dark in there. And then there's the other little face. It's more of an ear and a face. And they are all snuggled under the blankets. And they have a heating pad. And the blankets are directly out of the dryer. So they're snugly and warm. And the wine sulfur is going to do its job. And I'm going to close the computer. And you guys can tune into the other kittens. And that's these two after their very first bath. Good night.